Out here being dumb. I love it, baby. I love it.
You ain't see my wheelie?
Alright, now who's running? That's what I want to know. Who's running who? Are we running? Let's do a quick pull. Wait. Hold on. Oh, oh, the freaking seat came off. We're trying to get this off earlier. Jameer in the Busa, he just popped the trunk. That's what we calling this, because this ain't even a little seat. Look at the seat of the R1 under the seat. And then look at the seat on the Busa. All right, what we got here, Jameer?
Your back start hurting, man. Rub some bears. Your hair a little nappy. Got a brush. Sunny eyes. Sunglasses. You want to relax, smoke a cigar? Got a cigar. A lighter. And a cutter.
This man ready to roll for anything.
And a mask. You need a mask.
And he still got all that space. Yeah. I don't even think there's a trunk on this one. Someone correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. I already know there's gonna be someone there, but bro, this thing doesn't like. Try and pop that on. That's hilarious. It finally came off. Finally came off. There we go. We're good. It finally came off, yeah. Second gear? Yeah. Okay. Alright, Lacey. Stop playing games, boy, girl. Boy, I ain't riding no dude. Oh, damn. Hold on. Oh, we actually got a good run in, man. Oh, man. All right. It's actually pretty close. Very close. It's close. If I can get a good hit, it's close. I was short shifted. I shifted too quick. That was my problem with that one. Out here being dumb. I love it, baby. I love it. A little Sunday fun day for y'all, man. So Joseph weighs like 213, I think. 220. I'm like 230. Also got a backpack on with a bunch of camera gear in it. So it's kind of putting Lacey at a disadvantage, but it's okay. All right, we're gonna run it one more time. I was short shifted on that last run. It really is neck and neck. I think if the riders are the exact same weight or just about a backpack on, I think the 1299 can get the new R1. I really do. I still think it's the weight just because I don't want to admit defeat on Lacey. I really think it's close. Like, it's so close. This bike weighs about 20 pounds lighter. It has 5 more horsepower. The twin motors have more, like, torque. So the power band is just a little bit different, but I don't know. I still feel like it's a very, very close race. You'd have to get 2 riders that literally weigh the exact same. Countdown. Like I said, it's neck and neck like that, man. It's neck and neck. Popped out of literally nowhere on the freaking ATV. That's awesome. There he is. Damn, you're talking shit. What?
Jumped on me, he was way ahead.
I was saying, yeah, that was a big gap.
Yeah, I was like, no.
No, there's no, I was like, he must have jumped on him.
You hit neutral back there when you did that wheelie.
Yeah, you saw that? I came down, but then it came right back up. I'm still learning it, so. But, I mean, it was smooth when it was up there. Yeah, first one, I was like, what the f? You see that, Jameer? The first wheel I tried to pull up, and then I shifted and it slammed into neutral. And then the second one, it came out real smooth, and I was able to like, catch it. But that first one, I was so pissed. I was like, what the f?
I don't know how you...
I felt good. I just felt something hit me in the ass. I'm like, what the f? And then I pulled the seat out.
We know it comes off.
Yeah, for real, finally. That's not how I wanted to find out, but
I like your bike.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Hey, I'm about to give you a CBR 100. I'm gonna save up.
Hey, hell yeah, you got to, bro. 1,000? 500. Oh, hell yeah. I said, he ain't gonna know he got a little scooter.
You ain't see my wheelie?
Doing a wheelie on the Busa. Yeah, I was cracking up. I was like, y'all ever seen a Busa wheelie? I seen the video.
I can't wait for that. But, hey, please put a meme in it when you do it. Dude, you got to.
Why you always want me to meme Jameer, man?